Welcome back to Classy English Podcast. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ethan.
Hey, Ethan, can we practice something that people always talk about, but I never know what to say?
Sure. What topic?
Goals. Like life goals, study goals, fitness goals. When someone asks me, "What are your goals?" I just say, "I don't know."
Perfect. Today we'll practice how to talk about goals in daily English. Short goals, long goals, personal goals, career goals, and how to talk about progress, setbacks, and plans.
Please include realistic phrases, like what people actually say.
Yes, we'll do it like a real conversation. Easy phrases, mini dialogues, and repeat after me practice.
And can we also practice asking someone about their goals?
Definitely, because conversations are two-way.
Great, let's start.
First, here are the most natural ways to talk about goals. Repeat after me. My goal is to,
My goal is to,
I want to,
I want to,
I'm planning to,
I'm planning to,
I'm aiming to,
I'm aiming to,
I'm working on,
I'm working on,
I'm trying to,
I'm trying to,
in the short term,
in the short term,
in the long term.
in the long term.
Right now, my main focus is
Right now, my main focus is
good. These are simple but powerful.
I already feel more confident because I have a starting point.
Exactly. Now let's make them sound even more natural by adding small details. A goal sounds more real when you add a reason, a timeline, a feeling.
Give me an example.
Sure. My goal is to improve my English because I want to feel confident at work. I'm aiming to do it in 3 months.
Oh, that sounds real. Not just one line.
Exactly. Now you try.
My goal is to improve my English because I want to speak confidently. I'm aiming to improve in 3 months.
Great. Now let's practice with different goal types.
Okay, study goals first. People ask this a lot.
True. Here are natural lines. I'm trying to be more consistent. I want to improve my grades. I'm focusing on my weak areas.
Let me try. These days, I'm focusing on my weak subjects. I want to improve my writing skills.
Perfect. Add a plan.
I'm planning to study 1 hour daily and practice writing every weekend.
Great. Now add a challenge.
The hardest part is staying consistent, especially when I feel tired.
That's very real. And you can also say, I get distracted easily, so I'm trying to manage my time better.
I get distracted easily, so I'm trying to manage my time better.
Nice. Now we'll do a mini conversation.
Okay.
I'll ask you, what are your study goals right now?
Right now, my main focus is improving my English and preparing for my exams. I'm aiming to study daily and revise every week.
That's strong. And if you want to sound casual, you can say, I'm just trying to stay on track.
I'm just trying to stay on track. Career goals feel scary. People speak big.
You don't need big words. Use simple English. I want to grow in my career. I want to gain experience. I want to improve my skills.
Okay. My career goal is to improve my communication skills and become more confident at work.
Good. Now add a long-term goal.
In the long term, I want to get a better position and work with a professional team.
Perfect. Also useful lines. I'm exploring my options. I'm still figuring it out. I'm open to learning.
I'm still figuring it out, but I'm open to learning
That's one of the most natural lines.
because it's honest.
Exactly. Now role play. We're meeting after a long time.
Okay.
Hey Maya, how's work going? Any goals?
Work is going well. Right now, I'm working on improving my performance and learning new skills. In the long term, I want to move into a better role
Nice. Add why.
because I want more growth and I want to challenge myself.
Perfect.
Fitness goals are common. People ask, "Do you go to gym?"
Exactly. Natural goal language. I want to get in shape. I want to build stamina. I want to be healthier. I'm trying to gain weight. Only if you're comfortable.
Let's keep it healthy and positive.
Good. Try this. My goal is to feel more energetic.
My goal is to feel more energetic.
Now add a plan.
I'm planning to walk daily and eat healthier.
Great. Now add a challenge.
The challenge is that I crave junk food when I'm stressed.
Very real. You can say, I'm trying to be disciplined, but some days are hard.
I'm trying to be disciplined, but some days are hard.
Perfect. Mini conversation. What are your health goals these days?
I want to be healthier and feel more active. I'm trying to walk daily and improve my diet.
Nice. Add a timeline. I'm giving myself 3 months to build the habit.
I'm giving myself 3 months to build the habit. Money goals are important, but I don't want to sound weird.
You can keep it simple. I want to save more. I'm trying to control my spending. I'm budgeting better.
Okay. My goal is to save money every month and avoid unnecessary shopping.
Great. Add a plan.
I'm planning to track my expenses and set a small monthly budget.
Perfect. And a natural line. I'm trying to be more mindful with money.
I'm trying to be more mindful with money.
Mini conversation. Do you have any financial goals?
Yes, I want to save consistently. I'm trying to spend less and plan my expenses better.
Great. That's normal adult English.
I like personal growth goals, but how do I say them naturally?
Use this. I want to be more confident. I want to be more consistent. I'm working on my habits. I'm trying to manage my time better. I'm trying to control overthinking.
Overthinking goals are real.
Very. Try this.
I'm working on controlling my overthinking. I want to stay calm and focus on solutions.
Beautiful. Add how?
I'm planning to journal a little and limit my screen time.
Great. And you can also say, I'm trying to improve my mindset.
I'm trying to improve my mindset. Ethan, what's the easiest way to explain short-term and long-term goals?
Use these lines. In the short term, I want to. In the long term, I want to.
Give me examples.
Sure. In the short term, I want to improve my English speaking. In the long term, I want to work in a better environment and grow my career.
Nice. Let me try. In the short term, I want to build good habits. In the long term, I want a stable and successful life.
Perfect. That's very natural.
People talk about SMART goals. How do we say that without being too academic?
Keep it simple. Tell people, I want a clear goal. I want a realistic plan. I want a timeline.
Can we do one example?
Yes. Example. I want to improve my English speaking. I will practice 20 minutes daily. I'll check my progress every week. I want to see improvement in 2 months.
That's actually easy.
Exactly. Your goal becomes believable. Excellent.
People also ask, how's it going? I get stuck there.
Great point. Here are natural progress lines. It's going well. I'm making progress. I'm improving slowly. I'm still working on it. I'm struggling a bit, but I'm trying. I fell off track, but I'm starting again.
I love fell off track.
It's common. Let's practice. How's your goal going?
It's going well. I'm making progress, but I still need to be more consistent.
Nice. Another version.
I'm improving slowly. Some days are good, some days are hard.
Now a realistic one.
Honestly, I fell off track last week, but I'm starting again today.
That sounds superhuman and honest.
Sometimes goals fail because of problems. How do I say obstacles politely?
Use soft language. The biggest challenge is, the hardest part is, I'm dealing with, I get distracted when my schedule is busy, so.
Let's do examples. The biggest challenge is my busy schedule. I don't always have time.
Good. Add a solution.
So I'm trying to manage my time and focus on small steps.
Perfect.
The hardest part is staying motivated, especially when I don't see fast results.
Very real. Another helpful line is, I'm trying to be patient with myself.
I'm trying to be patient with myself. Now teach me how to ask someone about their goals without sounding too personal.
Use friendly questions. What are you working on these days? Do you have any goals for this year? What's your main focus right now? Any plans you're excited about? What are you aiming for?
Nice. Let's role play.
Okay.
Hey, so what are you working on these days?
Great. That's friendly and not too deep.
What's your main focus right now?
Perfect. And if someone shares a goal, respond supportively. That sounds great. I hope it works out. That's a strong goal. How are you planning to do it? What's your next step?
Oh, what's your next step? Is a great question.
Yes, it keeps the conversation going.
Can we do a longer conversation, like real friends talking?
Sure. Let's do it naturally.
Ethan, do you have any goals for this year?
Yeah, I want to improve my health and be more disciplined. I'm trying to wake up earlier and exercise regularly.
That's a strong goal. What's your plan?
I'm starting small, 20 minutes of exercise 5 days a week, and I'm trying to reduce junk food.
Nice. How's it going so far?
It's going okay. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving slowly. The hardest part is staying consistent on weekends.
I understand. Weekends break routines.
Exactly. What about you? What's your main focus right now?
Right now, my main focus is improving my English and building confidence. I want to speak naturally without fear.
That's a great goal. How are you working on it?
I'm practicing daily conversation. I listen, repeat, and speak out loud. I'm also trying to learn useful phrases, not just grammar.
That's smart. Are you seeing progress?
Yes, but slowly. Some days I feel confident, and some days I feel nervous.
That's normal. Progress isn't straight.
True. In the short term, I want to be consistent. In the long term, I want to use English in real life confidently.
That's clear. Anything else?
I also want to manage my time better. I waste time on my phone.
Same. Screen time is a struggle.
The biggest challenge is distractions, so I'm trying to set limits.
Great. The key is small steps. Big goals need small habits.
I like that line. It sounds motivational, but real. Ethan, what are common mistakes people make when talking about goals?
Good question. Being too vague, like, I want success.
I want to improve my skills and get a better job.
Exactly. Talking too big without a plan. I will change my life tomorrow.
I'm starting small. I'll do a little every day.
Perfect. Sounding too negative. I always fail.
I'm still learning. I'm trying again.
Exactly. More positive and realistic. Now, quick drills. I'll ask. You answer in 1 or 2 lines.
Okay.
What's your goal for this month?
My goal is to be consistent with my English practice. I'm aiming to study daily.
What's your long-term goal?
In the long term, I want to speak English confidently and improve my career.
What's your biggest challenge?
The biggest challenge is distractions, so I'm trying to manage my time.
How's it going?
It's going well. I'm making progress, but I still need to stay consistent.
Great. Now do the same, but more casual.
Okay.
What are you working on these days?
Honestly, I'm working on my English and trying to improve my routine.
Nice.
Give me common words related to goals.
Sure. Simple ones. Goal plan, focus, habit routine, progress, improvement, challenge, consistency, discipline, motivation, deadline, priority, step by step.
Consistency and discipline are my favorite.
Those 2 words appear in almost every goal conversation.
This lesson is really useful. Now I can talk about goals without fear.
Great. Let's summarize the key phrases.
My goal is to, I'm planning to, I'm aiming to. Right now, my main focus is in the short term, in the long term. It's going well. I'm making progress. I fell off track, but I'm starting again.
Perfect. Daily practice. Pick one goal and speak about it for 30 seconds every day.
Like a small daily conversation with myself.
Exactly. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Turn on the bell icon so you never miss our daily English conversation practice.
Share this video with a friend who wants to speak English confidently.
Comment, help, and tell us which real-life situation you want next.
Thanks, Ethan. See you in the next lesson.
Bye.